Hello again, everyone. It's Vince from TradingWinds.com, and this is our update for March 2nd, 2020. Let's take a quick look at today's markets. We did see a huge rally today on Wall Street. The Dow was higher by almost 1,300 points today, while the S&P 500 finished higher by 136 points. The NASDAQ 100 gaining 385. That's up 4.5%, while the Russell gaining 42 points, or almost 3%. So, does that mean the pullback is over? Hard to say right now. I think a lot will depend on tomorrow, and I'll get to that in just a moment. Today, the bond market put in a new high before pulling back completely here and actually closing much lower, while the yield on the 10-year note went for a wild ride. Overnight, it was as low as 1.03%. But finished the day at 1.15%. Crude oil having a strong day, up almost 2 points, or 4.5%, while gold rebounded as well and was higher by 28 points, or 1.8%. The dollar continues to drop here. That was one of the main reasons why gold held up today. So, excuse me. Getting to tomorrow morning, early tomorrow morning, Federal Reserve Chairman Jerome Powell, excuse me, and U.S. Treasury Secretary Steven Mnuchin are going to lead an emergency G7 call. So the representatives from the Group of 7 industrialized nations will join the call, and this is all in an effort to form some type of financial and economic response to the coronavirus. So, we should get details immediately after their meeting. Not sure if it'll be completed by market open, which is at 9:30 a.m. Eastern. But if it is, I'm assuming they'll have a press conference right after. And so at some point tomorrow morning, we'll know what the outcome is and what the plan is. And that could certainly move the markets. So keep an eye on the futures into tomorrow morning. And then, of course, the response coming out of that meeting. But that's about it for now. Enjoy the rest of your day, and we'll see you on our next update.